This video shows you how to transfer HP 218 toner chip. Please prepare the above items first. Rotate the handle of the chip cycle drill to the position shown. Install the drill till you hear a snap sound. Rotate the handle of drill to push out the chip. Use tweezers to take out the chip. Use pliers to cut off the residual plastic or glue if necessary. Place the chip into the slot with correct orientation. Shake the new cartridge horizontally. Remove the orange isolation rims at both ends. Pull out the sealing tape of the cartridge. Remove the orange protective cover. Finally, install the new toner cartridge onto your printer.